effortless file sharing across platforms.
Snapdrop is a free browser-based tool that lets you quickly send files between Windows, macOS, and Linux devices. No installation is needed, making it perfect for instant, cross-platform sharing. In this guide, discover how Snapdrop works and how you can use it to transfer files between any computers on the same network.
Getting started with Snapdrop.
To begin, open a modern web browser on each device you want to use. Visit snapdrop.net in the browser on your Windows, macOS, or Linux computer. All devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi or local network. Snapdrop will automatically detect other devices on the network with the site open.
Transferring files with Snapdrop.
To send a file, simply click on the icon representing the device you want to share with. A file picker will appear. Choose the file or files to send. The receiving device will get a notification and can accept or decline the transfer. Files are transferred directly over your local network for speed and privacy.
No logins or accounts required.
Snapdrop stands out because you don't need to create an account, log in, or download any software. It's completely free and works right from your browser, relying on your local network rather than the internet to transfer files, which helps keep your data private and transfers fast.
Tips for a smooth experience.
For the best results, ensure all devices are using the same Wi-Fi network and have compatible browsers, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Large files may take longer to transfer. Snapdrop is ideal for quick sharing. For ongoing syncing or very large files, consider other dedicated solutions.